Tune of the universe. To be a tune of the universe is to expand through what it is. To exist, we have to vibrate. If there's no vibration, there's no universe. Our individual concept of love can be a utopia. We love because we experience in-tune vibration. It's just a matter of mechanics. We love because we have to vibrate. It's what we look for. It's a sound, a vibrational sound. That's why we love or don't love. To love, we have to make the sound of love. Sound vibrations are love. It's the same for money as it is for love. It comes or goes depending on whether our DNA vibrates to be in tune with it. It's the same for pain. Everything has a sound we can relate to. Everything we experience is sound. Money, war, beliefs, hatred. They're all sounds we can hear or not hear. The image of the ear is just figurative. DNA does not have ears, but it listens. Our brain is part of vibration. The DNA brain vibrates as part of the general DNA. People with mental illness vibrate differently. To realign DNA sometimes takes more than one lifetime. To heal, you have to find the element with the right vibration, such as vegetable or animal. To heal, you have to repair your vibration by finding the vibration that you're missing. If your vibration is missing a mineral, find mineral. If you're missing vegetable, find vegetable. If you're missing animal, find animal. You have to know your DNA. Everything is the same. A dysfunction of the DNA has to be cured by the element you're missing. Animal, vegetable, mineral, spirit, fire. We just have to put the right note inside the melody. The list of notes is complex, but what's strange is that our illnesses are basic notes. There's no complicated note. The note is right there. Anything can generate the note. The voice generates the DNA of the spirit. Fire generates the radiance of the DNA. Animal, vegetable, and mineral make up the composition of the DNA. All 5 of these elements have to be in tune to never die. Since DNA has a vibration, it is a sound we can produce mechanically, but not as spirit, not yet. For now, it is only medicine without voice. The problem with man's creation is that everything is without voice. Nature materialized with voice, man-made creation is without voice. It's like we can build a boat, but we can't build the wind. We can build a boat with 4 masts, but we don't produce the wind.